What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have Geo Group Inc., REIT, the rate, the rate that you overall know, the real estate IT, you already know. But the thing actually is just yeah, it's actually 4% up today, which is again pretty solid. We definitely just made have broken past these highs. And as I said, I'm looking for upside moves from there on. Was that the case? It was definitely was. Tap into here. Continue to make new highs. Textbook, okay? Only textbooks in here. Textbooks, deliveries, and patterns. Now, overall, does it mean that you will just continue to make these new highs like forever and shit? Obviously, no. So we might just see something like this or just this beautiful bigger correction to tap into some supply demand areas right here to maybe deliver higher. But right now, I'm going to leave it like that because there's no reason why this wouldn't just fly. You feel me? So that's about it. Not financial advice. You can see it right here. Have a wonderful day.